Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how plush toys are designed and mass-produced step by step.
Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
This is the world of modern plush toy manufacturing, where every soft and lovable toy begins with creativity, precision, and advanced technology. First, all raw materials arrive here: colorful fabrics, soft fur, cotton filling, and safety components. Each roll and every piece is carefully inspected to ensure perfect quality. Next, the fabric is cut with high-precision automated cutters. Every shape is accurately prepared for the upcoming steps. Amid gentle machine hums, steam, and moving conveyors, all components get ready for assembly. In this area, automated pattern machines shape every part of the plush toy exactly according to the designer's plan. Inside the digital design room, technicians monitor patterns, stitching lines, and material tension on glowing screens. Each prepared piece, whether it's an arm, an ear, or the body, travels through pneumatic tubes and conveyor systems toward the main production floor. This is where the plush toy truly begins to come to life. Precision sewing machines carefully stitch the fabric pieces together. Robotic arms and skilled artisans hand sew delicate areas to strengthen the design and add personality. Then the toy's body is gently filled with soft cotton, giving it the perfect shape, comfort, and durability. On the assembly line, the filled toys pass through high-speed machines that close the final seams and securely attach safety eyes and features. Automated labelers apply brand tags, embroidery patches, and barcodes with perfect timing. At the end, the toys are carefully placed into colorful boxes, sealed, and prepared for shipment. Every plush toy is inspected under bright LED lights to ensure stitching strength, stuffing balance, and safety standards. Once approved, the packaged toys are loaded onto pallets and transported by forklifts to waiting delivery trucks. From here, they travel to stores around the world, ready to be loved by children and collectors alike.
And that's how plush toys are designed and mass-produced from start to finish.
For more fascinating factory tours and behind-the-scenes documentaries, don't forget to subscribe.